Congratulations on the purchase of your new TELUS TV Mini. This video will show you how to set it up in just a few simple steps. To begin, you'll need a TV with an HDMI port, the TV manufacturer's remote, and your Wi-Fi network name and password or an Ethernet connection. A Google account email and password is optional but recommended. To start, connect your TELUS TV Mini to your TV's HDMI port. Take note of which HDMI input you plugged into. Connect your TV Mini to the included power supply, ensuring that you're plugging into the port with the power icon above it. Then, plug the power supply into a wall outlet. Ensure that both your TV and the TELUS TV Mini are turned on. A solid white LED light on your device will power on to indicate that your TV Mini is ready to go. Is your LED not showing solid white? Refer to the TV Mini troubleshooting panel in your quick install guide, which can be found inside the device's packaging. Now that your TELUS TV Mini is powered on, select the source or input that you plugged the TELUS TV Mini into earlier on your television. You'll see the TELUS TV Mini remote control pairing screen. To pair your TELUS TV Mini remote control, press and hold the 7 and 9 buttons for 3 seconds to start pairing. Next, you'll be prompted to select either English or French. If you have an Android mobile device, you have the option of setting up your TELUS TV Mini with it. To do this, select Continue and resume the setup process on your mobile device. Keep in mind, you'll need to ensure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your TELUS TV Mini. If you do not have an Android mobile device or wish to skip this step, select Skip. The next step is to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, you will see the strength of the signal indicated on the screen. For the best connection, connect your TV Mini to an Ethernet cable if available. If you experience connection issues, visit telus.com/TV support to troubleshoot. If your TELUS TV Mini requires a software update, it will automatically be installed at this part of the setup. Once the software update is complete, you will be asked to sign into your Google account. This step is optional, but is recommended and will enhance your entertainment experience. Once you have signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to accept the Google Terms of Service. You may choose to opt in to help improve Android performance. You can also select whether or not to turn on Google Assistant. This will allow you to control your TV using voice commands through your TELUS TV Mini remote control. Simply follow the prompts on screen if you want to activate Google Assistant. You will have the option of choosing a name for your TELUS TV Mini. This will help you to identify it when casting or connecting to it from other devices. You will be able to install apps to help you access the content you enjoy. Please note that Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube are already pre-installed. Next, on-screen tutorials will highlight some of the features of your new TELUS TV Mini. Lastly, if you want to control your TV using your TELUS TV Mini remote control, follow the on-screen prompts to identify the brand of your TV and test the controls using the volume buttons. And it's as simple as that to get started with your TELUS TV Mini. If you need to create a TELUS account or don't remember your password, visit telus.com/mytelus to set up or update your account. For more info and additional support, please visit telus.com/TV support.